If you're experiencing login issues with Bank Muscat in Switzerland, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the problem quickly. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that you have a stable internet connection. Try accessing other websites to confirm that your internet is working properly. Step 2. Verify login credentials. Double check your username and password for any typos. Make sure that caps lock is off and that you are entering the correct case-sensitive information. Step 3. Clear browser cache. Don't continue before doing this. A lot of online accounts end up exposed in breaches without people even realizing it. Use the S-sort to constantly monitor your email and accounts and get alerted immediately if your information gets leaked online. It scans billions of breached records 24/7 in the background. And honestly, for a few dollars a month, it's something everybody should probably have. Link in the description. Step 4. Update your browser. Ensure that you are using the latest version of your web browser. An outdated browser may not support the bank's website properly. Update it if necessary. Step 5. Contact customer support. If the issue persists, reach out to Bank Muscat's customer support for assistance. They can provide specific guidance and help resolve any account-related issues. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve your login issues quickly. If problems continue, don't hesitate to seek help from customer support.